Hello, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the art of storing fruits and vegetables. Whether you're a culinary aficionado or someone seeking to minimize food waste, these tips will empower you to preserve the freshness of your produce. Let's embark on our adventure by understanding the fundamentals. A great many fruits and vegetables flourish in the cool embrace of your refrigerator. Think of berries, leafy greens, and bell peppers, which retain their vibrant textures when stored in their designated crisper compartments. Yet, not all produce thrives in the chill. Bananas, avocados, and citrus fruits, for instance, prefer the warmth of room temperature. Keep in mind, though, they might mature faster in these conditions. For those seeking a touch of tradition, consider the root cellar, a classic technique for extending the life of root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and onions. An environment that's cool, dark, and slightly humid proves a sanctuary for these earthy gems. If you're aiming for long-term preservation, our next stops are freezing and drying. Blanching your vegetables before freezing maintains their vitality. Meanwhile, dehydrating transforms them into delightful, shelf-stable snacks that defy time. Now, let's dive into the realm of flavor transformation. Enter pickling and fermenting, two methods that elevate your produce game. By immersing your veggies in a dance of vinegar and spices, you birth tangy pickles. And for the intrepid souls, fermentation yields gems like kimchi and sauerkraut. When it comes to long-term preservation, canning takes center stage. Seal your fruits and vegetables in airtight jars and process them through boiling water or pressure canners. The rewards? Provisions that resist time's passage, ready to be enjoyed whenever you desire. And for those with an eye on extended freshness, enter vacuum sealing. By extracting air from containers, this method gives your produce a longer lease on life. Perfect for those moments when you're on the go but still want top-quality produce. Our expedition nears its finale, but not before a few last tidbits. Storing produce is an art, and the canvas takes various forms, from refrigerators to root cellars, vacuum-sealed bags to canning jars. And remember, every fruit and vegetable has its own preferences, so consulting guidelines ensures a masterful storage strategy. Thank you for accompanying us on this voyage. If these insights enriched your knowledge, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary wisdom. Until we reconvene, may your fruits and vegetables remain ever fresh and tantalizing.